Subscribers and new subscribers, JDCap26 here. Just a tips, repairs, and hobbies. We're doing a hobby, and we're putting together this Phantom of the Opera. Making sure the glue is ready to go. Put some glue on here. See right there. And hopefully we can get this together here. And we have to cut the top off here. So let's do that. Just the very top. And then stick it back on there. If we don't get a good contact, that's not a good thing, you know. Still got some stuff in there. See if we can get it out of there. Some pliers. Try it again. There we go. Got a good contact now. Hold it together. This is a Weld on number 16 glue for PLA. Okay. This arm goes in here. Let's pre-fit it. See how it works. That's pretty good. Put some glue in there. Gets harder and harder to get the glue out, guys, when it gets small like this. And that's a little bit too much. Let's wipe that away. Take the arm, stick it in there, like that. That's on there. Nothing in there. And some glue here. There we go. Try to stand the glue up. So this goes like that. And then on the inside cuff, we have the putty right there. It goes like that. Let's pre-fit the head. And the head seems to fit on pretty well. So let's put a little glue there. That's enough. Oh, he's pretty cool looking. Lon Chaney. Lon Chaney was the actor, and he did his own makeup to all his movies he did, you know. Got some flashing here. Losing his bottom. We didn't have enough glue there. Once you get it glued, you can't really fool around with it. You know. You can move it a little bit, but he's done. Okay, so that's what he looks like, and here's his cape. Goes on here like that. Looks like that. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Moving closer, and God bless you. Please rate, subscribe, to give the thumbs up. I'm trying to reach 100,000 subscribers. I can't do that without your help. So we're just going to lay them down for now. Bye for now.